Stop looking at 2026 price tags and start looking at these engineering masterpieces. Welcome to Part 3, where we are moving into the golden era of Lexus, the years between 2014 and 2018 when build quality peaked and technology hadn't become a headache yet. If you want to understand why Lexus is the king of reliability, you need to look at the 2015 GS350. In 2026, while modern luxury sedans are struggling with complex mild hybrid systems and fragile plastic engine components, this car stands as a fortress of engineering. Under the hood is the legendary 2 GRFSE 3.5-liter V6. Mechanics call this engine the Invincible. Why? Because it uses both direct and port injection. This is the secret sauce. While most modern cars suffer from carbon buildup that chokes your valves and costs thousands to clean, this Lexus cleans its own valves every time you drive. It's a 306 horsepower beast that will easily do 300,000 miles if you just give it fresh oil and coolant. But it's not just about the engine. The 2015 model is the sweet spot for the GS. You get the updated 8-speed automatic transmission in the RWD models that is smooth as silk and built to last. It's faster and more refined than the earlier versions, making it a perfect rival for a BMW 5 Series or Mercedes E-Class. Except this one won't leave you stranded on the side of the highway. The mechanic's reality check. Nothing is 100% perfect, and here is what you need to look for during your pre-purchase inspection. The water pump. This is the most common wear item on the 2GR engine. Around 100,000 to 120,000 miles, they can start to weep. Look for pink crusty residue around the engine pulleys. If you see it, replace the pump immediately. It's a $500 fix that saves a $5,000 engine. Sunroof seal. Some owners report a whistling noise at highway speeds. It's usually a $20 rubber seal that has dried out. It's a 10-minute DIY fix, but a great way to negotiate a better price. Mark Levinson. Amp. If you're looking at a model with the premium audio, check the trunk for any signs of moisture. In rare cases, water can get to the amplifier. If the sound is cutting out, it's a sign of a costly repair, so make sure the music is crystal clear. In 2026, the 2015 GS350 is the ultimate used luxury hack. It has the triple beam LED headlights. It has the massive 12.3-inch screen, and it has the interior materials that still feel brand new 10 years later. It's a driver's car that handles like a dream, but maintains like a Toyota. If you find an F-Sport with a clean service history, don't think twice. Just buy it. Look at this car. If you saw the 2018 Lexus RC350 driving down the street in 2026, you'd think it's a brand new $70,000 exotic coupe. It has the stance, the aggressive spindle grille, and those sharp LED lines that just don't age. But here's the secret. While it looks like a high-strung race car, it's actually as reliable as a Toyota Camry on steroids. Underneath that muscular body is the same 3.5-liter 2 GRFKS V6 we love, but tuned for a bit more punch at 311 horsepower. In the RWD version, you get a sharp 8-speed automatic that makes highway cruising a dream. It's not a track monster like its V8 brother, the RCF, but that's exactly why mechanics love it. It doesn't run hot, it doesn't eat tires every 3,000 miles, and it doesn't require a specialized racing crew to maintain. In 2026, new coupes are becoming overly digital and fragile. The RC350 is the last of the Mohicans, a naturally aspirated rear-wheel drive luxury coupe that prioritizes comfort and longevity over raw lap times. It's a grand tourer in the truest sense. The mechanic's reality check. Even a masterpiece has its quirks. If you're hunting for a used RC350, here is your inspection checklist. The Lexus inner tire wear. This is a classic IS and RC platform issue. Because of the soft lower control arm bushings, the front tires tend to wear out on the inside edge prematurely. Mechanics hack. Swap the stock bushings for the stiffer ones from the RCF or an aftermarket set like RR Racing. It fixes the steering feel and saves your tires. Vacuum pump leak. Keep an eye on the back of the engine. Some 2018 models can develop a tiny oil seep from the vacuum pump. It's not a breakdown risk, but it can smell like burning oil. A quick gasket change fixes it forever. Infotainment. Mouse. The touchpad in the 2018 model is, let's be honest, it's annoying. It takes time to get used to. Check that the haptic feedback still works and isn't sticky from a previous owner spilling coffee on it. Brake clicking. Some F-Sport owners notice a slight click when braking at very low speeds. Lexus says it's normal for these high-performance pads to shift slightly in the calipers, but have your mechanic check the clips just to be safe. Your goal in 2026 is to spend as little money as possible on gas and repairs while still looking like a boss. The 2017 Lexus CT200H is your cheat code. This is essentially a Toyota Prius that went to finishing school. It has the same legendary reliability, but with the cabin materials, sound insulation, and prestige of a Lexus. Why do we pick the 2017 model? Because it was the final year for the US market and the peak of its evolution. Early models, 2011 to 2013, had some issues, but by 2017, Lexus had perfected the formula. Under the hood is the 1.8-liter 2ZR FXE hybrid engine. It's not fast. 0 to 60 is a leisurely 10 seconds, but it is built to survive a nuclear blast. In city traffic, you'll easily average 43 miles per gallon, and in 2026, that is the ultimate flex. From a mechanic's perspective, this is one of the easiest luxury cars to own. Why? Because almost every mechanical part, the engine, the inverter, the transaxle, is shared with the third-gen Prius. That means parts are everywhere, they are cheap, and every mechanic in the world knows how to fix them. The mechanic's reality check. Even a bulletproof car needs some love. Here is what your mechanic needs to check to keep this CT running until 2040. The EGR system, crucial. This is the most important tip. The exhaust gas recirculation EGR, valve, and cooler can get clogged with carbon. If it stays clogged, it can eventually cause a blown head gasket. Mechanic's hack. Have your mechanic clean the EGR valve and cooler every 60,000 to 80,000 miles. It's a bit of labor, but it prevents a $3,000 engine repair. Hybrid battery fan. There is a small air vent next to the rear passenger seat. That's the lung for your hybrid battery. If you have pets or a lot of dust in the car, that fan gets clogged. If the battery can't breathe, it overheats and dies early. Spend 30 minutes once a year cleaning that fan, and your battery will last twice as long. The cold start rattle. If you start the car and it sounds like a tractor for 5 seconds before smoothing out, that's usually a sign of carbon buildup in the intake manifold or a sign the EGR needs cleaning. Don't ignore it. Brake actuator. Like all Toyota hybrids of this era, listen for a constant barking noise from the brakes. If it's making noise every few seconds without you touching the pedal, the actuator is getting weak. In 2026, the 2017 CT200H is the smartest way to beat the system. It's a premium hatchback that costs nothing to run, looks modern with its spindle grille, and holds its value better than almost anything in its class. It's the ultimate buy-it-and-forget-it luxury car. If you want a sports sedan that sounds like a symphony and lasts like a tank, the 2014 Lexus IS350 is the only answer. In 2026, while BMW owners are on their third turbocharger replacement, the IS350 is just getting warmed up. This car features the legendary 2GR FS EV6. It's the same 306 horsepower powerhouse found in the GS350, but in this smaller, lighter chassis, it feels like a rocket. It's naturally aspirated, meaning no turbo lag and no expensive turbo repairs, just pure, instant power. And if you get the RWD F-Sport, you get the 8-speed transmission from the ISF supercar, making every shift feel lightning fast. The mechanic's reality check. It's a Lexus, so it's tough, but it's a sports car, so it has specific needs. Here is what your mechanic will check. The tire eater. Issue. The IS350 is famous for chewing through front tires in as little as 10,000 miles. Why? The soft factory lower control arm, LCA, bushings. Mechanic's hack. Tell your shop to install the stiffer bushings from the Lexus RCF. It's a cheap part, It fixes the tire wear, and it makes the steering feel twice as sharp. Infotainment lag. The 2014 was the first year of this generation, and the screen can sometimes freeze or lag. A simple firmware update usually fixes it, but check it during your test drive. Battery drain. These cars are packed with electronics. If it sits for more than a weak battery will cause ghost electrical issues. If the car feels sluggish to start, just swap in a fresh AGM battery, and you're good for another 5 years. Brake rotors. Because it's a fast car, people tend to drive it fast. Check for any steering wheel shake when braking from high speeds. That means the rotors are warped and need replacing. In 2026, the 2014 IS350 is the smart money sports sedan. It looks like an LFA's little brother. It sounds incredible above 4,000 RPM, and it will still be running perfectly when the 2026 Turbo 4s are in the scrapyard. Find an F-Sport, fix the bushings, and enjoy the best V6 ever made. We've reached the final boss of our list. If you want the ultimate family SUV that treats you like royalty and never, ever lets you down, you need to find a 2016 Lexus RX 450h. This was the first year of the 4th generation, and it completely changed the game. Even in 2026, it looks sharper and more expensive than 90% of the cars on the road. Underneath that aggressive, origami-inspired body is a 308 horsepower hybrid masterpiece. It combines the Bulletproof 3.5-liter V6 with Lexus's world-class electric motors. The result? A heavy, luxurious SUV that gets better gas mileage in city traffic than most compact sedans. It's quiet, it's powerful, and because it's a Lexus hybrid, the transition between gas and electric is so smooth you won't even feel it. But why is it a mechanic's secret? Because while European luxury SUVs from 2016 are now becoming money pits with leaking air suspensions and failing turbochargers, the RX 450h is just getting started. This car is built to reach 300,000 miles without breaking a sweat. The mechanic's reality check. Before you join the RX Club, here is what your mechanic needs to inspect to ensure you're getting a winner. The hybrid battery fan. Again, I cannot stress this enough. In the RX, the intake for the hybrid battery cooling fan is located under the rear seats. If it's blocked by pet hair or dust, the battery will overheat and fail. Mechanic's tip: it takes 15 minutes to clean. Do it once a year, and your battery will outlast the car. Rear differential. Seal. If you are looking at an AWD model, have your mechanic peek at the rear differential. Some early 2016 models can show a tiny bit of seeping. It's a cheap seal to replace, but a great way to negotiate a $1,000 discount. The sunroof clunk. On some 2016 models, the panoramic sunroof can make a slight clicking or clunking sound over bumps. Lexus released a service bulletin for this. It's usually just a lubrication or bolt tightening issue, but check it during your test drive. Service history of the CVT. This isn't a fragile CVT like you find in a Nissan. This is an eCVT, one of the most reliable transmissions ever built. However, make sure the transmission, transaxle fluid, was changed at least once if the car is over 100,000 miles. In 2026, the 2016 RX 450h is the smartest way to spend your money. You get the massive 12-inch screen, the incredible Mark Levinson audio, and a level of safety that still earns top marks today. It's the SUV that proves you don't need to spend $80,000 on a 2026 model to have the best vehicle on the block. Buy it, maintain it, and it will be the last SUV you'll ever need to buy.